This is the look I came up with. It screams New Year's for me, and all the colors on the Sultry palette are like New Year's or party approved. I'm gonna start with Fresh to set it up. I don't have any primer. I'm just putting Fresh all over my lid. Twig. Wow, so pigmented so far. Now I'm gonna go with Slate. Do it on the very slightly on the corner, and with the rest I'm gonna just transition. A little more Slate. Cyborg. Just kind of stamp Noir into my lash line, and I did the other eye. Let's go to the rest of my face. Now I'm gonna do the primer with my Tatcha, the Silk Canvas. Love this primer, especially if you have large pores or wrinkles, because it does fill them like really nicely. And I'm completely in love with this primer. Many times I use it by itself, and it just makes the face a nice canvas, you know? Now I'm gonna do corrective from under eye from Tilbury. It's a very light coverage. I mean, it does have some decent coverage, but what I find I like more about this concealer is that you can use it even without makeup. This concealer here has one side that is concealer and the other side is an eye cream. I often use them together, especially if I'm not using any makeup, and it works really, really well. It's amazing. So now I'm gonna do some contouring with my KKW contour stick. This is the first release. Even though it's super tiny, I found that it has been lasting me for a very long time, and I like it. I think I'm not super fan of the Kardashians. I really don't like reality TV. You guys watch it? I don't know. I don't have anything against them. I know people are super, either hate them or love them type of thing. I just don't watch it. No, nothing against them. I just never really liked reality shows. So, but I really am enjoying their makeup line, the KKW. So far it's working for me. I feel like has some good products in the line. They're easy to use. And I find that their contour stick is like so good, especially for the type of makeup I do, which is kind of like no fuss. So for the hair, I usually do this, and I just move it up. I like doing this too, and it blends so well. It's like a really nice, like so easy. And now what I've been enjoying to do is actually using my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder and my colors in Fair. This is the best setting powder, but what I use is not, I just don't use it as a setting powder. I use it as literally basically foundation. I just set my whole face. And it has amazing ingredients too. It has like rose powder, that really helps people with redness. Sometimes not wearing foundation is actually good for your skin, letting you breathe a little bit. So I usually follow this with my favorite bronzer, Fantastic 104 Omega Bronze from Marc Jacobs. And this is still my first one, and I use it all the time, and it's gonna last me a lifetime. I actually bought a backup because they came up again this summer, guys. And since it was limited edition, I bought a spare one, but I still haven't been finished with the first one, but hopefully they make a permit. Love this bronzer. Another Charlotte Tilbury, not sponsored, I just love her so much. Is the Cheek to Cheek Pillow Talk, which is sold out right now, but it's coming up this spring, and I highly suggest it. It's so good. It has a highlighter and a blush at the same time, but it just I just swallowed the whole thing. But it's such a natural color. It just gives you such a healthy, pretty glow. And that's what I love about Charlotte Tilbury. A lot of her makeup is just like naturally beautiful and just works. I just feel pretty when I use her stuff. And now for the highlight, I'm gonna use my Dior, the Backstage palette, the highlighter. I'm gonna use the icy one since I'm having like an icy moment here. This highlighter is just so gorgeous. It just gives you a nice, beautiful glow. I love, love, love these highlighters. I maybe should call this video like my top favorites right now. On my lips, I actually already have something. I have the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, the new one that it came out. It's just very, very subtle, and it's, maybe I should pick it up and put it some more, because I think it will go with this look. I was gonna put the actual Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk pencil, which is so tiny. I think this is the tiniest lip pencil I've ever owned. It's amazing. It's also on Pillow Talk. But I feel like this new lipstick that she just came up with is like a balm and a lipstick at the same time. And I had it for a while now. I actually shot another video before this one. And I only did one coat, so it's kind of worn out right now. But it's still looking pretty good. And I think it goes with this look as well, since it's a nude. So I'm going to pick it up and reapply and show you guys, because it's also a new product that is limited edition, but it's so, so good. I'll put the name in the description box below, but it's the newest Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks line. Is a new formula that they came up with, and this is in the shade Pillow Talk, and it's gorgeous. The package is gorgeous. The color is my favorite. It's the Pillow Talk one. I've been using non-stop. Hopefully she makes it permanent, but this is gorgeous. What I love about it is that you don't need like a lip liner. I mean, you could put a lip liner, but you don't really need it. And this is the color. I'm obsessed. It's so easy on the lips. And even the driest lips, you still look super luscious. It has a lot of ingredients that fill up the lines. So I'm in love. And they have other nice, beautiful colors. But I love the finish because it is like a lip balm and a lipstick, but it does last longer than a lip balm or a gloss. Now let me do the under eye a little bit. Twig. I'm loving this palette. It's really beautiful. And now I'm going to put a little mascara. Again, the Full Fat Lashes Charlotte Tilbury on the bottom lashes. The Cyber color on the inner corner here. So this is the final look. And I feel so New Year's ready. Like, I feel like I can just go to a New Year's party right now. This is all the things I've been loving of makeup. Let me know if you're loving any of the new makeup that's coming out right now. Please make suggestions in the comment below. I love makeup. I love playing with makeup, even though I'm not a makeup artist. I have so much fun making this type of videos, so hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a happy new year. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next week. Bye!